How adults can use genetic testing to feel better and stay strong. Many people think genetic testing is only for kids or teenagers with scoliosis, but adults can benefit from it too, especially if they still deal with pain, poor posture, or low energy. Scoliosis doesn't magically go away once you grow up. In fact, many adults continue to struggle with symptoms like back pain, muscle tightness, or fatigue, even if their spinal curve seems stable. That's because the same genetic variants that may have contributed to their scoliosis as children are still at work in their bodies as adults. Understanding your genetics as an adult can open the door to smarter health choices, including the right foods, exercises, and supplements tailored just for your body. That's where genetic testing comes in. It's a simple way to look at your DNA, the instructions that tell your body how to work, and find out if small changes are making certain things harder for your body to do. These small changes are called genetic variants, and knowing which ones you have can help you manage scoliosis symptoms more effectively. For example, one important gene is the vitamin D receptor gene. This gene helps your body absorb and use vitamin D, which is essential for keeping your bones strong. If you have a variant in this gene, your body might not be using vitamin D properly, even if you take a supplement. That means your bones might not be getting what they need to stay strong, which can affect your spine and make scoliosis symptoms worse. But if you know you have this variant, your doctor might recommend a special form of vitamin D or a different dose that works better for your body. This small change can make a big difference in your bone health and your overall comfort. Another important gene is COMT. This gene helps your body clear out stress hormones like adrenaline. If you have a COMT variant, your body might hold on to stress longer than it should. This can lead to tense muscles, poor sleep, anxiety, and even more back pain. For adults with scoliosis, that's a big deal. Stress can tighten muscles around the spine, pulling it out of alignment and making it harder to maintain good posture. But if you know you have a COMT variant, you can take steps to support your body. Certain B vitamins, magnesium, and calming amino acids can help your body process stress more effectively, allowing your muscles to relax and your mind to feel more at ease. The real power of genetic testing is that it gives you a personalized health plan based on your body's specific needs. Instead of guessing what foods to eat, what supplements to take, or which exercises to try, you can make choices that match your unique biology. That means better results and fewer frustrations. For example, if your genes show that you struggle to absorb certain nutrients, you can choose forms that are easier for your body to use. If your genes suggest that your nervous system has trouble communicating with your muscles, you can try brain-based exercises that improve coordination and balance. If you have genes related to inflammation, you might avoid certain foods and focus on anti-inflammatory choices like leafy greens, berries, and omega-3 fats. All of these small, smart decisions can add up to big improvements over time. Many adults who use genetic testing say they feel more energetic, have less pain, and notice better posture after just a few months of making personalized changes. They're not doing anything extreme, they're simply giving their body the exact support it needs based on their genes. It's like getting a roadmap for your health. You don't have to guess anymore. You can finally understand why your body reacts the way it does, and what to do about it. Another benefit of genetic testing for adults is that it helps explain problems that may have never made sense before. Maybe you've tried multiple treatments for scoliosis or back pain, but nothing has worked long term. Maybe you've always been told your spine looks fine, but you still feel stiff, tired, or sore. These lingering symptoms could be caused by issues that start at the genetic level, things that regular tests don't show. By looking at your DNA, you can uncover the root causes behind your symptoms, and finally take action that makes a difference. It's also worth mentioning that genetic testing isn't painful or complicated. It usually involves a simple cheek swab or saliva sample. Once the test is done, doctors or genetic specialists review the results and explain what they mean in plain language. You'll find out which variants you have and how they might be affecting your health. Then, you'll get a plan that includes diet changes, supplements, exercises, or lifestyle tips designed to work with your unique body. It's not about fixing you, it's about supporting your body the way it needs to be supported. Adults with scoliosis often feel like they've run out of options. Maybe you wore a brace as a teen, had surgery, or just lived with the pain. But thanks to genetic testing, there's now a new option that focuses on the inside, not just the curve. By learning more about your genes, you can finally take control of your scoliosis journey in a new and powerful way. You can choose the right nutrients, the right movements, and the right strategies to help you feel better, stay active, and protect your spine for years to come. In the end, genetic testing isn't about fear. It's about freedom. It gives you the freedom to understand your body better, the freedom to make health choices that actually work, and the freedom to move through life with less pain, better posture, and more energy. Whether you've had scoliosis for decades or you've just been diagnosed as an adult, it's never too late to take steps that improve your health and your future. With genetic testing, you don't have to guess anymore. You get to know. And when you know better, you can live better. Building a therapeutic lifestyle for scoliosis health. Living with scoliosis, or trying to prevent it from getting worse, doesn't have to be scary or overwhelming. One of the best ways to take care of your body is to build a therapeutic lifestyle. A therapeutic lifestyle simply means making daily choices that help your body work its best and prevent problems before they start. Instead of just focusing on treating scoliosis after it becomes painful or serious, this kind of lifestyle helps you stay healthy and strong every single day. For people with scoliosis, or even those at risk for it, a therapeutic lifestyle is one of the smartest ways to improve posture, support bone strength, and keep the whole body in balance. So, what does that look like? It means eating the right foods, getting the right nutrients, staying active, managing stress, and making sure you get good sleep every night. All of these things work together to support a strong, healthy spine. First, let's talk about food. What you eat every day sends powerful messages to your body. Eating whole foods is a big part of a therapeutic lifestyle. Whole foods are foods that are close to how they appear in nature, like fruits, vegetables, lean meats, eggs, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats like olive oil and avocados. These foods give your body the vitamins and minerals it needs to grow strong bones, relax tight muscles, and keep your energy steady. On the other hand, processed foods like chips, candy, soda, or fast food can cause inflammation, which makes scoliosis symptoms worse. For people with scoliosis, eating lots of colorful vegetables helps reduce inflammation. Fruits provide important antioxidants, and lean proteins help build the muscles that support the spine. Healthy fats are also important because they protect your brain and help your body absorb vitamins. When your meals are full of the right kinds of foods, your body has the tools it needs to stay strong and flexible. But food isn't the only thing that matters. Sometimes, even if you eat healthy foods, your body still needs extra help. That's where supplements come in. Supplements are vitamins, minerals, or natural substances that give your body a little extra support. The best supplements are chosen based on your genetics. For example, if your genes show that you have trouble absorbing vitamin D, you might need a special form of vitamin D that your body can use more easily. Or, if your genes affect how your brain makes chemicals like serotonin or dopamine, you might need more B vitamins or certain amino acids. Taking the right supplements helps make up for any weak spots in your body's natural systems. It's like giving your body backup tools so it can do its job better. When your body gets the nutrients it needs, it's easier to stay active, feel balanced, and keep your spine healthy. Another huge part of a therapeutic lifestyle is movement. Moving your body every day helps keep your spine flexible and strong. But not just any movement will do. People with scoliosis need to focus on posture-friendly exercises, movements that help the muscles around the spine work together and support better alignment. That might include walking, swimming, stretching, yoga, or specific exercises from a scoliosis therapy program. These types of movement help improve balance, strengthen the core, and teach your body how to hold itself in a healthier position. The more you move, the more your muscles learn to support your spine the right way. Sitting for too long or having poor posture can make scoliosis worse over time, but moving in the right way can slow down or even stop curve progression. Of course, none of this works well if you're stressed out or not getting enough sleep. That's why stress management and sleep are also key parts of a therapeutic lifestyle. When you're stressed, your body produces more stress hormones like cortisol. These hormones can cause inflammation and tight muscles, which makes scoliosis symptoms feel worse. Chronic stress can also affect your mood, focus, and energy levels, making it harder to stick with healthy habits. That's why it's important to learn how to relax and reset your body every day. This could mean doing breathing exercises, journaling, meditating, spending time in nature, or talking to a trusted friend. Sleep is just as important. While you sleep, your body repairs bones, muscles, and nerves. Most kids and teens need 8-10 hours of sleep each night to feel their best. Good sleep also helps with posture, balance, and concentration during the day. Without enough rest, your body can't function properly, and your scoliosis symptoms may feel worse. When all these parts come together, healthy food, personalized supplements, regular movement, stress relief, and good sleep, you are living a therapeutic lifestyle. You are giving your body the support it needs to manage scoliosis the smart way. This lifestyle helps reduce pain, improve energy, boost mood, and slow down curve progression. And it's not just about treating scoliosis. It's about building a life that helps you feel strong, confident, and in control. Every small choice you make throughout the day can help your body work better and help your spine stay straighter. The great thing is that anyone can start building a therapeutic lifestyle at any time. You don't have to be perfect or change everything overnight. Even small changes, like adding more vegetables to your lunch, going for a walk after dinner, or getting to bed 30 minutes earlier, can make a big difference. Over time, those little changes add up to big results. Whether you're a child, teen, or adult with scoliosis, you have the power to improve your health and protect your spine every day. So remember, scoliosis isn't just something that needs to be fixed. It's something your body learns to live with. And how well your body handles scoliosis depends a lot on how you take care of it. A therapeutic lifestyle is not a cure, but it is one of the most powerful ways to take charge of your health, support your spine, and feel better every day. When you give your body what it truly needs, on the inside and out, you build the foundation for a healthier, stronger future.